Iceland, beyond the Blue Lagoon. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you tired of the usual tourist traps? Longing for something truly unique and awe-inspiring? Well, pack your bags and grab your hiking boots because we're about to uncover the hidden gems of Iceland. Beyond the stunning beauty of the Blue Lagoon and the iconic Golden Circle lies a world of untouched landscapes, dramatic fjords, and breathtaking natural wonders. This is for those who yearn for the road less traveled, for those who find joy in discovering the secrets whispered by the wind. Iceland's hidden gems are waiting to be explored. Get ready to lose yourself in the magic of the Westfjords, hike through the enchanting Thorsmork Valley, and embark on a thrilling adventure into the rugged Highlands. Trust me, these off-the-beaten-path destinations will leave you breathless. So, are you ready to discover the real Iceland? Let's go. Unveiling the Westfjords, where time stands still. Tucked away in the northwestern corner of Iceland, the Westfjords are a place where time seems to slow down. Majestic mountains plunge into shimmering fjords, creating a landscape that is both dramatic and serene. Here, fishing villages cling to the edges of cliffs, their colorful houses a stark contrast against the rugged terrain. The Westfjords are a haven for wildlife, with countless bird cliffs teeming with puffins, gannets, and other seabirds. One of the region's most iconic landmarks is Dinjandi Waterfall, a cascading giant that will leave you speechless. For a truly unique experience, take a boat tour to Hornstrandir Nature Reserve, a remote peninsula accessible only by sea. Thorsmork Valley, a hiker's paradise. Nestled between glaciers and volcanoes, Thorsmork Valley is an oasis of lush greenery and breathtaking beauty. Named after Thor, the Norse god of thunder, this magical valley is a hiker's paradise. Trails wind through birch forests, across glacial rivers, and up volcanic slopes, offering stunning views at every turn. From the summit of Mount Valanukur, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the valley below, surrounded by the mighty glaciers Eyjafjallajökull, Mýrdalsjökull, and Tindfjallajökull. Don't miss the opportunity to soak in the natural hot springs scattered throughout the valley, the perfect way to unwind after a day on the trails. The Icelandic Highlands, a journey into the wild. A vast and untamed wilderness, the Icelandic Highlands cover much of the country's interior. This rugged and remote region is a landscape of stark beauty, where glaciers carve their way through volcanic deserts and geothermal wonders bubble to the surface. One of the most popular routes through the Highlands is the Kjolur route, a historic trail that takes you past glaciers, hot springs, and volcanic craters. Landmannalaugar, with its colorful rhyolite mountains and geothermal pools, is a must-visit. Remember, the Highlands are only accessible during the summer months, from June to September, and a 4x4 vehicle is essential. Be prepared for unpredictable weather and pack accordingly. Section 5. Navigating Iceland's Hidden Gems. Tips and tricks. Exploring Iceland's hidden gems is an adventure, and a little planning goes a long way. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your trip. First, rent a car. Iceland's hidden gems are best explored at your own pace. Next, pack for all weather. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, so be prepared for rain, shine, wind, and everything in between. Also, learn a few Icelandic phrases. While most Icelanders speak English, learning a few basic phrases will enhance your experience and respect the environment. Iceland's natural beauty is fragile. Stay on marked trails, pack out everything you pack in, and be mindful of your impact. Lastly, embrace the unexpected. Part of the joy of exploring Iceland is discovering its hidden surprises. Don't be afraid to stray from the beaten path. Section 6. respecting nature, respecting Iceland. As you venture off the beaten path, remember that you are a guest in Iceland's incredible natural environment. It's crucial to tread lightly and leave no trace of your presence. Stay on marked trails to avoid damaging delicate vegetation, and pack out all your trash, leaving nothing behind but your footprints. Icelandic nature is powerful and unpredictable. Weather conditions can change rapidly, so be prepared for anything. Always check the forecast before heading out and dress in layers to adjust to changing temperatures. Be mindful of wildlife. Observe animals from a safe distance and never feed or approach them. By respecting Iceland's natural wonders, you contribute to their preservation for generations to come. Section 7. Beyond the Guidebooks. Embracing the unexpected. While guidebooks can be helpful, don't be afraid to deviate from the well-trodden tourist routes. Some of the most rewarding travel experiences happen when you least expect them. Take a chance on that unmarked road, strike up a conversation with a local, or simply allow yourself to get lost in the moment. Iceland is full of surprises, from hidden waterfalls and secret hot springs to charming cafes and unexpected encounters with friendly locals. Embrace the unexpected, and you'll create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 8. Your Icelandic adventure awaits. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the hidden gems of Iceland, waiting to be explored. From the dramatic fjords of the Westfjords to the hiker's paradise of Thorsmork Valley and the wild beauty of the Highlands, Iceland offers a world of adventure for those willing to venture beyond the ordinary. Remember to plan, pack accordingly, respect nature, and most importantly, embrace the unexpected. Your unforgettable Icelandic adventure awaits. Get ready to be amazed by the land of fire and ice. Safe travels.